Hey everybody, this is Richard White. I'm a Sphero.
Hi, my name is Leah LaCrosse.
Hi, my name is Brandon Hazzard.
Hi, I'm Derek Rose.
Hi, my name is Jensen. I'm sure a lot of you out there are having to clean the cobwebs off your Spheros in a little bit as you get ready to return to in-person learning this fall. And Sphero can help ease that back-to-school transition for both you and your students with some fun and exciting activities.
Sphero is going to help ease the back-to-school transition with my students by using the Bolt robots for an exciting Hungry Sphero challenge. This hands-on learning opportunity will allow students to get an introduction to our awesome robots for coding this year, as well as practice teamwork, material manipulation, and engineering skills. These are all areas of education that we just didn't get enough of last year.
You can use this little robot as a way to get students excited about being back to school. Students shake the Sphero back and forth, and then it asks them a random question about their summer. The students then pass the Sphero around, and each one gets a turn to shake the Sphero and answer a basic question about summer vacation.
Our students have a great time collaborating when they come back to school doing our annual boat race, where we design our Spheros, push a boat as the motor.
In my sixth grade class, we're going to practice collaboration and teamwork by having students navigate a maze. One student is going to tell the other student exactly where they need to go, where they need to turn. It is a following direction and collaboration activity.
So something that's really engaging and really requires a lot of collaboration are some back-to-school battles. As your students are working through the design process, making changes to their robots, doing some battling, one thing to keep in mind is to really encourage every group member to add at least one design element to that final robot. Have fun!